Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Leah Cheshire. This week, 2 astronauts kicked off the second half of the year with a spacewalk. On July 1st, NASA astronauts Chris Cassidy and Bob Behnken floated outside the orbiting laboratory to complete battery upgrades on the station's 1B power channel. The astronauts removed the final nickel-hydrogen battery on the channel and replaced it with a lithium-ion battery, prior to preparing for additional upcoming spacewalks to perform the same work on the station's 3B power channel. This was the 8th spacewalk for each astronaut, with 2 more planned for later in July. The 3 Americans aboard the International Space Station will observe Independence Day on July 4th, along with those of us on the ground. They shared a message to the United States in honor of the nation's birthday.
Even though we are living during unprecedented, challenging times, the spirit and resolute will of our country and all Americans has never been stronger.
This American flag was launched on the very first Space Shuttle mission in 1981 and reflown on the final Space Shuttle mission 9 years ago. Doug and I will bring Old Glory home with us on our Endeavour Crew Dragon spacecraft so it can be flown yet again when Americans launch on Orion to place American boots on the moon.
So take a moment, as we are, to reflect on our history, America's place in the world, and all that freedom has to offer.
Chris Cassidy, commander of the space station, spent some time outside this week during a spacewalk. Jacob wants to know who fills the role of station commander during that time. Even if a commander is on a spacewalk, station authority remains under his or her lead during the time they are outside the hatch. This will occur 2 more times in July as Commander Chris Cassidy and astronaut Bob Behnken continue battery upgrades on the station's 3B power channel. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag AskNASA. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.